Hello and welcome to another Trial Makers video. Today we're going to be making a jet from absolute scratch. I hope you enjoy this video. This is EXE Gaming here, and let's go into single player. Let's go to sandbox, and the place I usually love to make my jets is Danger Zone. Alrighty, we are in, and let's start by getting first I'm going to get a go-kart seat because I'm going to be doing the piston glitch, which is where, if you have heard of it or haven't, is where you just get either two pistons, you put like a little hatch on the top that looks like a cockpit, and then when you get into it, obviously you can make pistons go down and you glitch it into your head, which makes your planes look better. So first we're going to start off by making the cockpit. I'm always just thinking, how should I make this cockpit look? It's all about looks. I think I'm going to go with a few of these first, which is 3 pieces and not 4, which I thought it was 4, right? Okay, let's do that. Get 1 2x2. Alrighty, there we go. Now, that is a problem. These aren't even, oh yeah, I remember how I used to do my jets now. Like that. Alrighty, there's the cockpit done, and I think it looks decently good. Now let's just see if it covers up my whole head. Alright. I think that'll be alright. I think that'll be fine. Alright, that's good. Now let's start working on the front. We're going to go for one of these just to start off with. Usually I would actually have nothing here because there'll be stuff on the outside. But anyways, you always have to make your planes very light. Let's start off with that piece. Then we get a 3x1, 1x3, I think. And we're going to have to get fill this in with 2 3s. Well, I just call them 3s. That is a decent nose. Okay. Just like so. Now that the nose is done, and I think we will make this continue just like that. And try and keep it light. Well, oh yeah, so I'll probably put the engines. I do like using space thrusters because they're very fast and they're pretty small. As long as you just gonna have to probably, yeah, I think this will work. Let's just have 4 for now, and let's get some 1x2s and fill that in. This is smart. You want your planes to look good but still be light and very removable. How you're going to do that is by using really light pieces, and then getting, this will help as well actually, is getting the shields and plonking them on top, because that will, number one, make it look good, and it will also what it will, oh, it was actually gun bullets. It will protect it a bit more, and it won't just blow up straight away. So that is some good move you should definitely do. Yep, that perfectly fits. Just like that. Still all my ideas, that's all okay. Obviously you can't just build a jet from scratch without getting ideas from somebody. You can't just make it up yourself. But I mean, if you've seen a jet before in your life, or a photo, obviously just get ideas from that. But I'm just saying, you might not know ideas like using the shields on top so you can fit it all together. Alrighty, so, let's go. I mean, every idea is usually the same anyways. It's always very similar. Let's go. Except I haven't actually seen anyone do that shield thing. I think we should put some 2 wheels at the front. That will just, what this does actually, it's not just to have a smooth landing, it brings the front up and the wind will get to the bottom of the wings. That is looking okay, I think. Let's continue these pieces. By the way, I'm actually making this up as I go. I have no plan, I'm just making it up as I go, which is a part of doing it completely scratch. Using these like that, yes, that looks good. I think it looks a bit bad with this elevator like that. I've tried to use these big flaps instead, but it didn't turn out working very well for me. Using these, I can try. And they'll probably be better. I'm not sure, it wasn't working properly. Like, it wasn't better than the other one. Even though I did the exact configures as the other one, but I don't know. We'll try that. Probably just 2 blocks long, two wings long, or whatever. You always want your wings in front a lot. I would have thought. First I'll test this before I put it on, because I might have to move the wings forward more. Ah yes, yes, okay. That's a disappointment. This needs to go down more. Which I cannot do right now. No! Ah, dumb. Okay, that should leave the cockpit looking better without that hair sticking out. Yes, perfection. Alright, let's see how it flies. That was weird. Okay. Alright, yep. Wings need to be forward more, that's for sure. I mean... Oh no, that's right. The elevators don't work. This whole time I've been flying without elevators. Like, there's no up and go. There's no up. This might be a very good jet, actually. This might be my most removable jet. Yeah. In my opinion. Oh, let's finish those wings up. Finally, and we'll probably finish the build once we've done these wings. Now I need to think. I cannot use long ones, can I now? Alright. All we have to do now is... Actually... We'll just fill this all in. Alright. Well, all we have to do is just copy that and paste it on the other side. And it looks like we have some wings. And I think it's done. Oh no, it's not done. We have to paint it. But let's test how it flies, because I feel like it's going to be extremely heavy. I can, if it doesn't fly very well, I can make changes to make it less heavy, but... you know, that's not that bad. And it looks very good, in my opinion. Does it fly alright? That's the thing. I mean, it's very controllable. I like how controllable it is. Like how easy it is to fly. Except I want to be able to just do a very quick dive over something, which has not happened yet. So let me go back and turn the angle up and make it a bit lighter by probably just removing blocks like that. No need for that to be there when a lighter one can be there. Painting time. Now, what color are we gonna go for? I'm thinking, we're gonna make it a proper fighter jet looking thing, which is obviously grey and navy, or we can go for, I don't know, I've always been thinking red and white. I made another video of red and white. Or yellow. Maybe yellow. Ooh. Normal fighter plane colors, which needs a bit more color by making other types of blocks different navy looking colors like that. Okay, we are done this jet with some blasters at the front as well as some bazookas. So not bazookas, rockets. I think it flies alright. I also made the cockpit glass because obviously they're usually glass. This one, I think is pretty quick I think. And this one is really good. I'm pretty impressed with this one. I don't know if it's the best one I've built. I've built a few other ones that are also very well built and very removable. Oh, perfect. Did you see that, guys? I just went for it, like, absolutely amazing. And this is a really good build, and thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy my videos. I will do some multiplayer dogfights if you want to see that. Ooh, that was a bit of a hit. Please subscribe to my channel. It's still small, and I hope these new videos will maybe boost it up a little bit. I also would love to do some Star Wars Battlefront 2 videos, as well as Classic Collection that just only came out, and yes, I've got it. If you want to see some Classic Collection videos, please just comment down below. Comment what I should build in this game, and please subscribe and like, and I'll see you in the next video.